Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie and today I have another box of jewelry to open from shopgoodwill.com. This box came from Georgia and it weighs 3.4 pounds, so much smaller than the lots I usually get. But from the pictures I did see there was one item in it that I liked, so I decided to go for it. Also, no one else was bidding on this box, so it was only $7.99. And after the shipping, handling, and taxes, the total came out to $22. Okay, so here's the necklace, and this is, I guess, kind of a statement necklace with the plastic rhinestones. It's a nice orange color, gold tone. And here is a stretchy bracelet. Still has good stretch to it. And again with the plastic rhinestones, looks like they're all here. I don't see any missing. Okay, another stretchy bracelet. There's a charm on here, the letter F. And these, I guess glass, faceted glass beads. Here's a ring, and a stretchy ring, silver tone. It's a turtle, and it looks like there's mother of pearl with some rhinestones as well. There are some missing there. I do see some spots, one up here as well. Okay, here's another bracelet. This is memory wire with, I think these are plastic beads. Another statement necklace. It's a nice blue color, silver tone. Okay, another necklace with plastic beads, faceted, and it looks like they're all knotted in between and tied with a ribbon. It's a stretchy bracelet. Still has this plastic tag on it. Looks like this is foil. Still in good condition, silver tone. Okay, another bracelet, stretchy, probably needs to be restrung. It's very loose. And again with plastic beads. Okay, here's a necklace, silver tone. It's like a very light green and yellow color. And I do see a tag here. It's for Charming Charlie. Okay, beaded necklace. I think this is glass. The toggle clasp. Okay, a little stretchy bracelet. That's from Airmish. like silver and gold tone. And here's a bangle bracelet, some rhinestones. Yeah, it looks like they're all there in their prom set. I don't see any marks in that. Oh, this one's kind of, well, it's just a string coming out. Okay, here's another bracelet. This one's stretchy. Some red and white beads. And a necklace. And I don't see any marks on this. I'm not sure if this is, I think it's just glass. And a toggle clasp. Okay, here's a clamper bracelet, silver tone. It's still in really good condition, looks brand new. Okay, another bracelet. This is stretchy with some faux pearls. I think they're plastic. And here's a, looks like a necklace, gold tone. I think it's all one. Let's see. It's like 2 layers. I think it might be broken though. There's a piece that's just dangling here. And another necklace, silver tone with some plastic beads. And here's a set of bracelets, like tied together with this ribbon. Gold tone, they're sort of stretchy. Okay, here's a necklace. And I believe this is Larimar's. Probably the third or fourth one of these I have found. And they're always broken when I find them, but it's very easy to fix. You could just link this back together. Okay, this is a long necklace. Some different beads on here. And there is a tag on this. I believe that says White House Black Market. Has a little bit of wear on it. Okay, here's a bracelet, stretchy with some plastic beads. And another bracelet. This one's also stretchy. I think these are glass. Okay, here's a ring. Silver tone, looks like there's some wear on that. And I guess this is like a cheetah. Some rhinestones, and I do see some missing here. Okay, here's a bracelet with some different types of links, plastic rhinestones. Oh, there's a tag here, so that's from Charming Charlie. Okay, another stretchy bracelet from Airmish. And maybe an anklet. I'm not sure. It's definitely too big for a bracelet, too small for a necklace. But I think these are plastic. Some different charms on here, flower charms. Really pretty colors. Okay, stretchy bracelet. Oh, I do see one rhinestone missing. There's another one missing here. And a stretchy bracelet. Some, I think these are, I think they might be plastic. Okay, and a necklace. Gold tone, has a lot of wear on it. There's some rhinestones. Okay, another Aramesh bracelet. And this one has beads. They're kind of, I guess, like triangles almost. Pyramids, maybe. Okay, here's another bracelet. This one's gold tone, the fold over clasp. Some green rhinestones. And a gold tone necklace. I think there's a tag on here. Okay, so that's for Banana Republic, BR. Okay, here's some more stretchy bracelets. And it looks like these are like the fire polish. Okay, there's a tag on here. The letter F. And I'm not sure what that says, not very clear. Okay, and another bracelet. Some blue rhinestones, very pretty color. And this is more of a gunmetal tone. And a necklace with some plastic beads, toggle clasp. Okay, another necklace. This one has 2 layers. Gold tone chain, and it says Loft. Has a lot of wear on this. Okay, another stretchy bracelet from Aramish. Pretty color, it's like very light lavender purple. Okay, and here's some more stretchy bracelets. Okay, so this one says, I think it says Fabulina Designs. And so it's probably the same brand as this one, Fabulina. Okay, here's a bracelet, because it's zebra print. And that does have a lot of wear on it. It's all the finishes coming off. Okay, and here's some more bracelets from Fabulina. These ones, they feel like stone, although I'm not sure what kind they are. Okay, another stretchy bracelet. And this one has that moon glow, but I think it's, well, I think it's plastic. As you can see, there's like a seam right here. It's very pretty. Okay, another stretchy bracelet. And here's a little gold tone cross. Okay, there are some marks back here, but not really sure what that says. Okay, here's a stretchy bracelet, plastic beads, and like faux pearls. Okay, and another bracelet, stretchy, some copper beads. And these ones I believe are stone, possibly agate. And you can see it is faceted, very pretty. Okay, and here's the necklace. Looks like gunmetal tone. The flower pendant, plastic cabochon. Okay, so that was the end of this box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.